Software developer, software engineer. Two titles, often the same work but very different pay. First, let's have a very honest opinion. As a job title, these two mean almost nothing. There is no standard. The same job is called a developer at one company and engineer at another. In India, engineer is often mean a person that has a engineering degree. But the two words describe very different work. And that part is very real. Okay, so let's understand that. Development means building software that meets the requirement. Engineering means building software that also handles what the requirement didn't mention. Confused? Now let's take a very simple example. User needs to upload file, so create that feature. You are asked by your team lead or your manager that user needs to upload files, so create that feature. A developer builds it. We have to pick up the file, upload it and save it. Show a message that it works. That is complete. That is a completely valid job. The surprising part is an engineer also builds the same thing, but it also asks more question. What if the file is very large? What if the internet drops in the middle? What if 10,000 people are uploading at the same time? Nobody actually wrote these requirements. They come from experience. And that is the core difference. One meets the requirements and other handles what was left out. Now, let's discuss the part that most people usually miss. Development ends when the feature is shipped or when the feature is completely made. Engineering doesn't. The same person is responsible when the feature gets slow the next year or when someone else has to change that code. This is the reason why engineers write tests, add monitors, and document decisions. None of it is helping today to create that feature or to write that code. All of it helps the system to stay alive. So, the real question, how do you spot the difference in real life? Now, just ignore the titles. Okay, read the job description. If it lists feature to build, that is a development work. If it talks about scale, reliability, or design choices, that is a engineering work. Whatever the title say, that is the engineering work. And the previously mentioned was the development work. But the reality is most of the jobs are often very mixed. Now let me give you the final one liner. A developer makes it work and engineer make it keep working. So this was it. This video was part of the Versus series where we discuss the difference of often misunderstood words. So see you in my next one.